sva u disku, ko je LPS igral. Fičo spet je neki pisku, Žvižej solo je zasral. Takrat se mi je že zazdelo, da preveč ti gledaš stran. Ta pogled polne zvestobe že bil predobro mi je znan. Ker gledam te, ko brez mene z drugim stran odhajaš. Hočem te, a ti drugemu srce oddajaš. Pleševa, ampak to je le v mojih sanjah. Ne, ne bo te več nazaj. Ne bo te več in gledam te, ko brez mene z drugim stran odhajaš. Hočem te, a ti drugemu srce oddajaš. Pleševa, ampak to je le v mojih sanjah. Ne, ne bo te nazaj.
This was my journey through Piran. I had an amazing time, an amazing feeling in that city. It got a lot of tiny details in the architecture, in the history of itself, and celebrates his own history very well. Like in the middle of the piazza there's a big statue of a famous violist from Piran itself, Giuseppe Tartini. He had a special way to play the violin as well, and the flair of the city, of this tiny town. There's only 3,000 people in this town living, but the flair is so big, like it's just amazing. And in the night it's so alive with live music, and it's happy. The waves are there. Oh, I don't know, I fell in love with that city. It's so tiny, you can easily visit it for 2 or 3 days and can say you saw everything of Piran. But here's the deal, you can always come back to those places and still feel amazed. It don't stop with the first trip or with the first exploring. This is very rare for me, because when I'm somewhere and I saw it, I'm like, okay, let's go to new frontiers. But this time in Piran, to be honest, I wanted to stay. Like, I was like, can I do it? Can I do it? But we had a tight schedule, so I relaxed in the night with the lovely music, with the water, and made a wrong turn and suddenly came around a weird part of Piran. Where am I? Am I still in Piran? I think I went wrong. I'm in Vegas. I don't know if it's Piran anymore, but it was funny. Yeah, and you got free transportation, which gives you from A to B. I walked a lot, and your car, just park it on the outside. Like, every parking spot in Piran is planned for the people live there. Like, there's no spare parking spots for tourists. So go in the parking lots, it's okay. It's €12 a day I paid. It's very okay. And you can't even go that far with the car anyway, so it's a waste, and they got big punishment money when you park illegally there, so don't start it, just walk and enjoy the surroundings of Piran. I felt it. And yes, then we went back to our restaurant hub to sleep, and then we head our way to the capital of Slovenia, Ljubljana or Ljub. After Piran, it will be very hard for me to get my feelings and my head with something else. So Ljub got a big burden. We will see how this will affect my view on the capital itself. But I searched up for the internet and they said Ljubljana is very green. Ljubljana should be very nice. And yeah, we will see it in the next video. Bye guys. Woo! Chanting.